Hey, hi. Have got chance to work on various different projects, but this journey was not a easy one. From 2018, when I went to Singapore and explored the thing, I saw the boom on ICOs, and that was my starting point on blockchain. I started with a cryptocurrency, making a coin, making the setup, and started learning different blockchain networks. Have started with Hyperledger and Fabric, but that didn't went well. Then have got moved to Ethereum because Solidity was near to JavaScript and it was easy to adopt for me. Once the Solidity is done, then have moved to Rust. So if I come to Rust, I have worked on a Solana network, and under the Solana network have worked on some various concepts which I am going to share with you right now. Unoya is one of the projects where I have worked on the different setup and scenarios. This is initially started with just a simple NFT launch. Once the NFT is done, then that thing is connected with staking concept where you can stake your NFT and get a reward or a token. We do have created its own token on Noya and the whole setup. Noya was one of the token which has a very high floor value, like around you know 25 to 30 SOL at one time. Right now it got dropped because of the crash of the economy, but still this particular project has given us a chance to understand how NFT work, how coin work, how staking work, and all the concept in the same, which we have used in the various other setup. Then it's come Gemfarm. Gemfarm is originally provided a GitHub repository from or for Solana network, but we have used it to create a separate staking concept with a gamification. Like people can purchase the land, they can stake the land, they can get a coin, they can get a reward, and also taken care about its tokenomics. After this type of concept, Hasdu got chance with work with Onlyone. Now Onlyone is a bit different concept on Solana network. This is a social creator economy. It is something like a staking concept where people are actually following the person who are giving good returns and they are staking on their setup, and then they are bringing a good return on a scenario. So it is almost like a marketplace of a staking which we have developed and deployed on the setup. All these things were done in Rust, Solana modification with different scenarios and understanding on the same. Mega Cryptopolis is one of my favorite game which I had been participate, and here my key role was working on blockchain and different scenario setup. Here I have worked with the metaverse, like how the design, animation, graphics are done, how the setups are done. However, this particular game is not on Solana network, but we do work on Ethereum, Ton, and other network on the same. However, the metaverse experience and the way to implement is definitely we got a chance to understand in this project. Then we got a chance to work on Wonderland. Wonderland is one of the DAO scenario, you can say, or a staking plus DAO scenario where people are putting up their coin, they have a governance token and a normal token and getting a reward. It is on various different network available and currently trying to bridging back with Solana also. So that is something under process to get it implemented. And the last one is Icedown. This is again one of the project which has worked on various different networks, and currently it is on ETH, but still we are working to get connect and bridge between various networks because many networks are open to bridging and transferring the coin and token. However, these projects has given us a good understanding like how the DAO work, how the setup work, how the scenarios work, what all things need to understand, how the governance is related, how the voting power need to be distributed, how the rules are applied, and regulation need to be done. So overall, do got a chance to work on Rust modification and implementation also on Solana. So that is all from me. Do let me know if you have any questions. Open for a good discussion. Thank you. Have a great day.